Working on a 2003 BMW 325i sedan, and we just finished redoing the pillars, the A, the B, and C. Right now we'll be showing you how to reinstall the B pillar. It's pretty simple. Make sure you take out a bolt that inserts right over here for the seat belt, and after you remove the seat belt, slide it in through the slot right here. Once it's slid in, you can see that there's two slots, those pins right there, and there's holes that have a plastic push tab that goes in between it. So very simple. Line it up, make sure your seat belt adjustment is proper. Once you have the seat belt adjuster lined up with the seat belt housing in the back, make sure it's flush, and then you'll be able to see the hole lining up with the plastic B pillar cover. Insert the tabs. Each tab has a push pin. Once that's secure, here is the bottom piece for the B pillar. Again, very simple. Two holes, as you can see, one right over there and one over here. And these are the plastic tabs that came out. Don't worry, when you do pull them out, they do get damaged. And the way we reinstall this is get the cover and install these in the cover first. Otherwise, it's nearly impossible to have them secure. Just like that. And what I have here is I've pulled out the rubber molding that goes around the door on both sides, and that makes the installation a lot easier for both covers. And what we will do is two tabs over here. First, insert them just like that. I'll show you once more. It's pretty simple, just like that. And on the both ends right here, you can just lift up these plastic moldings and slide them underneath. Once those are pushed in, you can feel the tabs go into the holes. Everything's nice, solid, and secure. Last thing left is these rubber moldings. And this will add additional support. And these flaps right here, if you don't remove them, it'll be a pain to have these all lined up and looking clean, and possibly damage them as well. And quite expensive if you look at the used market parts. So it's pretty simple. Push these in just like that. Once the moldings have been put in place, as you can see, very clean look, easy installation. And if you guys happen to mess this up and lose a pin, don't worry. These deals just slide and get to focus. There we go. they just slide. So if it's stuck in the hole, you can take it out, slide it into place, line it up with the hole, and push it in. We're good to go.